anticipating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. Level that's in front of him. Level that's in front of him.
Okay mga kapengyo, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon itong latest fight ni Magnifico Magsayo laban dito kay Bryan Mercado, na kung saan panalo nga dito si Magnifico Magsayo ng second round KO lamang mga kapengyo. At dito talagang pinakita ni Magnifico Magsayo kung gaano kalakas ang mga Noipi, no? Na talagang kita nyo naman kahanga-hanga ang naging performance nga dito ni Magnifico. Kahit pa binabas siya ng ilan at sinasabi na bakit daw ang hina ng itinapat sa kanya, para sa akin mga kapengyo, hindi naman mahina yung tinapat sa kanya. Sadyang magaling lang at malakas, no, etong si Magnifico. At talagang pinupusuan kasi ni Magnifico yung kada training niya. At talagang hindi naman siguro nila itatapat ang basta-bastang pipitsugin lang kung alam naman nilang dehado sila mga kapengyo, no? At kahit sabihin natin na pataba lang ng kartada eto ni Magnifico, hindi naman po siya yung namimili rin no? Yung promoter niya, yung mga namimili ng laban at kung ano yung mga ibibigay sa kanyang laban. Si Magnifico talagang binibigay lang niya yung best niya kada dadating ang mga fights niya. Gaya na lang nung huling laban niya dito kay Ramirez na talagang umabot nga ng 10 rounds na inaakala ko nga round 1 mananockout niya na si Ramirez doon. Pero syempre, Meksikano. Alam naman natin na mga Meksikano talagang palaban din yung mga yan. At tara mga kapengyo, panoorin na nga natin yung naging laban nga dito ni Magsayo.
Gentlemen, we went over the rules in the dressing room. You both know what I expect out of you. A good, tough, clean fight. The belt line is good here. The belt line is good here. Let's go to work.
All right.
Sayo, obviously, I was talking to him in the dressing room, and he said, "Hey, I got this fight, a 6-round fight. He hasn't fought a 6-rounder since 2014, brother. But he said, hey, I want to stay busy."
And you know what? When you're with Barb Nation, you're going to stay busy, and you're going to be evenly matched up. It's not going to be a cakewalk, or someone takes you out to dinner. You're going to have to earn every round, earn every single punch. And, you know, he's matched up with a man with 18 professional fights.
Yeah, and we saw that right at the beginning, right there, with that left hand. So, Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert.
You
know, I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, you know, as if...
Nakita nyo yung side step ni Magsayo doon. Talagang kita mo, no? Hindi lang tinamaan ng left hook. Kung tinamaan ng left hook yung mga kapengyo, hilo yan, for sure.
Say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity to show my skills to the world once again.
You saw that beautiful setup right there from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. He said, I can't overreach, I can't lunge in, and he's starting to do that. He's got to set up his punches with that jab.
I agree with you. Don't get caught extending. You know, you never know what this man has. You know, counter punch. You could sit down on something and wait for you to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go. I mean,
alam nyo mga kapengyo, ito si Magsayo, napapanood ko na rin talaga to at saka nakikita ko yung laro niya. Hindi nalalayo kay Senator Manny Pacquiao yung galawan niya. Ang ganda ang bilis, may footwork, no? Kumbaga, yung stamina niya, malakas na malakas. Yung power punch, meron din, mga kapengyo. Kasi yung last fight niya, no? Halos pa-knockout din niya si Ramirez doon. Tapos, ito nga, yung latest fight niya.
Muncie, I mean, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You have to look at the stars.
He almost got him there with that left. And Bryan Mercado, he's ready. I mean, let's remember and let's remind people that Bryan Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against Kermel Moton. But Moton came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moton, obviously, a great prospect from Mayweather Promotions. And obviously, he said, no, I can't fight this guy 15 pounds over. So here he is. That was November.
Pag pumasok yung left hook ni Magsayo rito, tapos na ang laban. Maniwala kayo mga kapengyo dahil yung kalaban, kung matatandyan no, parang talagang bibitaw siya sa isang suntok ni Magsayo.
30th and Bryan is ready.
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight. Like you know, that's part of their game plan. And even the advice they give people, coming over.
I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and they're waiting. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But Bryan said, nope, I'm not taking the fight. Here he is.
Yun na, kumalagkad sa lepo.
Against Magsayo, like you mentioned, an experienced fighter. Speed, power, he's got it. He's letting his hands go. Beautiful body shot right there.
Magsayo's cutting the ring off right now. He just waiting. He's anticipating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level. That's
boom!
There you go.
Taragis na yan. Kita nyo yung body shot na yon. Sabi ko sa inyo. Yun
He
yung
can feel
tatapos talaga dyan.
the skill level that's in
Boom!
front of him. There you go.
Perfect.
Walks it down, beautiful shot to the body.
Takpan siya, oh.
Drop his mouthpiece.
Wala.
That's experience right there. A veteran
Kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga nakakalaban ni Magsayo, talagang laging tumatalsik ang mouthpiece.
to catch some air, to gain, opportunity to recover a little bit. But Magsayo, he's
Ganda
experienced.
ng, oh, ganda. Ang ganda ng footwork doon, mga kapenyo. Tingnan nyo, pag sugod ni Magsayo, mga kapenyo, yung footwork sabay left hook, no? Sabay harang ng left
Opportunity
hook.
to recover a little bit.
Yan na.
But Magsayo, he's
Bang!
experienced. He's gonna go for
Perfect
And
shot.
I'm looking at the corner of Exile, and they seem to be arraigned, upset about something. I'm looking at Brandon
Tapos
there.
They're probably talking about the mouthpiece that
Yeah.
that he spent, but here he is again.
Bumapalag
Magsayo,
pa,
Magsayo is a
bumapalag.
great finisher, but
Inabot lang ng bell. Ayan, oh, yung highlights, oh. Buta. Naalog siya ron. Bang! Ang ganda ng body shot na yon. Ayan, oh. Bang! Side step. Body shot. Aray. Diba? Tapos ang laban. Ayan, oh. Side step. Back. Body shot ulit. Ano ulit? Left hook ulit sa pool. Nangangaray pa yung ano niya, oh. Katawan niya, mga kapengyo. Talagang laglag siya dyan kay Magsayo. Eto na,
Brandon
mga kapengyo,
Figueroa,
round
Ray
2.
Vargas, those are
Round
the
two.
only 2 defeats that he's got. So,
Wala
obviously
na
makes...
to. Bibitaw na to. Oh, ayun, oh. Sabi ko na, eh.
Magsayo having fun in there.
This referee, I think he's getting ready to call it. Give him his count. Give him his 10 count. Let him see. Let him see what he has. The referee's going to stop this.
Yeah, I'm
If
surprised.
not,
I'm
if not, I'm
surprised
surprised the
Mercado got
corner.
up. I thought he was just going to stay there.
Oh, wala na.
I'm surprised the corner
Okay.
doesn't stop.
Hininto na, mga kapengyo. Kitang-kita nyo naman, no? Grabe yung performance ni Magsayo dito. Parang pinaglaruan lang niya yung kalaban. Kita nyo naman, no? Round 1 pa lang. Parang manok na panabong, no? Etong si Magsayo talaga. At kita nyo kung paano iniikutan ni Magsayo yung kalaban. Tapos yung footwork. Kumbaga parang ano lang, eh. Alam mo yun, parang nag-sparring lang si ano rito, no? Si Magsayo talagang medyo pre-practice lang, no? Yung left hook neto ni Magsayo, tapos konting footwork para sa mga susunod na laban niya, no, sa mga mabibigat talaga, talagang makikita nyo, no, yung Magnifico Magsayo. So yan, mga kapenyo, ano nga masasabi nyo dito sa latest fight ni Magnifico Magsayo na round 2 nga lang inabot? Sobra talagang lupit neto ni Magnifico Magsayo. Congratulations, idol! At tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Dito lang kami, mga Pilipino, nakasuporta sa'yo. Maraming salamat, mga kapenyo, at kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod kong reaction video.